It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I got dirty, dirty, dirty.
Hi ma'am, it's Timothy Joseph Acob. Hi classmates. So, my topic for today is all about compressibility of soil. So, we have total settlement. Sa total settlement, meron tayong formula. Tama! We have ST is equals to SC plus SS plus SE. So, ano nga ba si SC? Oo, si SC. Siya si primary consolidated settlement. Si SS, siya si secondary consolidation settlement. And then si SE, siya si intermediate or elastic consolidation settlement. Ngayon, sa ating compressibility of soil, meron tayong primary consolidation settlement, which meron siyang normally consolidated clay. At ayan. So, sa primary consolidation settlement, we have normally consolidated clay. Meron siyang formula na SC is equals to CC times H all over 1 plus E sub O logarithm of PO plus delta P all over T. Si CC siya si compression index, tapos si H is siya yung thickness ng clay or soil all over 1 plus EO. Si EO is siya yung in situ void ratio. Ngayon si PO naman siya si average pressure or effective pressure at mid-height ng clay, and then si delta P siya yung sudden or change or increase sa pressure. Next, we have over-consolidated clay. Meron siyang dalawang formula. When PO plus delta P is greater than PC. Sino nga ba si PC? Si PC siya si pre-consolidated pressure. So we have here, kapag mas greater than si PC. SC is equals to CS times H all over 1 plus EO logarithm of PO plus delta P over PO. Ngayon, yung CS natin, meron siyang formula. Para makuha natin si CS or si swell index, we have CS is equals to 0.009 times LL minus 10. Ngayon, when PO plus delta P is less than PC naman, ibig sabihin mas maliit yung value niya kay PC or kay pre-consolidated pressure. Ngayon, we have SC is equals to CS times H all over 1 plus E sub O times PC all over PO plus CC times H over 1 plus EO logarithm of PO plus delta P over PC. So, ayan ang pinagkaiba nila. So, ngayon next is secondary settlement. We have SS is equals to C sub alpha times H all over 1 plus E sub P logarithm of T2 over T1. Si T2 doon is siya yung time after completion of primary, and then T1 is time for completion of primary settlement. Next is, yung formula natin sa E sub P is equals to E sub O minus delta E. Si E sub P siya si void ratio at the end of primary consolidation. Now, si delta E is sudden change or channeling. Now we have intermediate or elastic settlement. Si intermediate or elastic settlement, ito yung formula niya. SE is equals to swell index CS times Q times B times 1 minus mu squared all over ES times IP. Sino nga ba si Q? Si Q siya si net vertical pressure applied na makukuha natin through this formula. P over B squared. Si B, siya si B, width of foundation or diameter of circular foundation. Yan. And then si mu, siya si Poisson's ratio of soil. Ay, may karagdagang ano pa pala to. Sorry. Yan. ES siya. Ngayon si ES, siya si modulus of elasticity of soil. And then lastly, si IP, siya si influence factor. So, that's it. Additional lang guys, so si swell index is makukuha natin siya through 1/5 of 2 1 over 10 times CC. Ayan. Pero kadalasan kasi ang ginagamit natin guys si 1/5. So my next topic is all about shear strength of soils and triaxial test of soils. So sa shear strength of soils, we have direct shear test with normal stress is compressed as ito. Stress is equals to E over A or force over area. Next is if there is a shortening of leg, we have here A is equals to A sub O minus I1 minus epsilon. And next is yung strain is makukuha natin siya through delta L over L, and then A sub O is equals to pi D square all over 4, and then ito, same lang sila din. Next is we have resisting shear stress, which is pwede natin makuha through this formula. Shear stress is equals to force over area. Ayan siya. So, dahil sakop natin ang board for today's video, ma'am, we have relation of normal stress and shear stress for normally consolidated clay. Cohesion is equals to 0. So, we have tan phi is equals to shear stress over normal stress. So, ito yung Cartesian niya. So, we have tan is equals to ito, opposite over adjacent. And then, next is for over consolidated clay, we have H is equals to sigma tan phi, and then yung yung epsilon, itong shear stress niya is equals to epsilon plus sigma tan phi. Ito yung Cartesian niya. So, gamitin na lang natin si shear stress as equals to gamma. Check. So, hi ma'am, we have here a triaxial test. Normally consolidated clay, non-cohesive, C is equals to 0. So, we have here the graph or yan, basis natin kung paano natin nakuha itong mga formula. So, we have here our Q1, which is itong mahaba na yun. Q1 is equals to, sigma 1, ito siya. Makuha natin siya through here. Itong line na to, sigma 3 plus sigma, itong delta D. Ito siya. Yan, pag-a-addin natin yan, makukuha natin si sigma 1. Next is si R, yung radius. Makukuha natin siya through here, which is sigma 1 minus sigma 3 all over 2. Ito si sigma 1. Nasaan si sigma? Ito si sigma 1 minus si sigma na ito, 3. Divide natin siya sa 2. Makukuha natin si radius. Or ito. Next is si OA. From point of origin to point A, makukuha natin siya through sigma 3 plus radius. Ito. Sigma 3 plus radius. Dito nyo. Makikita nyo sa figure na itong point of origin to point A. Yan siya. And then next is pwede rin si OA is equals to sigma 3 plus sigma 1 minus sigma 3 all over 2. And then ito din. Ganun lang din siya. So, pwede din natin siya makuha ito. Sin phi is equals to R. So, itong Q, sigma 1 minus sigma 3 all over 2, ito siya. And then, itong sigma 1 plus sigma 3 all over 2, ito siya. Nasaan na siya? Ito. So, pwede lang din si sin phi, ganito lang siya. Sin phi is equals to R over OA. We have here inclination of plane of failure caused by shear. So, phi plus 90 plus 180 minus 20, it's not 20. It's 2 theta is equals to 180 degrees. We have here 2 theta is equals to 90 plus phi. Makukuha natin tong si theta na 45 plus phi over 2, which is angle that failure plane makes with the major principal stress. As you can see, last topic tayo, over consolidated clay, cohesive soil. So, we have here the figure, which is, etong x is makukuha natin through. Ito yung C times cotangent ng angle. Ito. So, ayun siya. And then, sin phi is equals to, from point of origin, is equals to A to B all over point of origin to A, point A. And then, pwede din ito. Sin phi na yan. And then to get the sigma 1 is equals to sigma 3 tangent squared 45 plus phi over 2 plus 2c tan 45 plus phi over 2. So, ganyan lang siya guys. manipulate nyo lang itong figure. Bye.